principle laid down by the Holy Quran and by the ahadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is that you cannot sell a commodity that you do not own. Not only this, it is also established that you cannot sell a commodity that you do not possess. Merely ownership is not enough. If you have owned a particular commodity but you did not take possession of it, it was not delivered to you, it is not allowed in Sharia to sell that commodity. Because Sharia says that al-ghunmu bil-ghurm, al-kharaju bil-daman. Unless you take the risk of that commodity, you cannot earn profit through it. If you take possession, then you have borne the risk of that commodity, in the sense that if that commodity is destroyed, then you will suffer the loss. Now when you undertaken the responsibility and the risk of that commodity, now you are allowed to sell it and earn profit on it. But if you did not have possession of that commodity, you cannot. So this is one of the basic principles enshrined by the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, on which all the fuqaha, all the jurists of Muslim Ummah are unanimous. And if you see in the market, in commodity market, in equity market, everywhere, the commodities and the shares are sold and bought without having ownership. One person, purchases the shares at 8 o'clock, for example, and he did not take delivery thereof, and he sells it on 9 o'clock with a profit margin. This is speculation, and this speculation causes the upheavals in the economic atmosphere, and that is why the world is facing this crisis today.